Meaning of doleful.
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 Doleful. The word doleful is an adjective that describes something that is sorrowful or mournful, often associated with grief or sadness. It conveys a sense of bleakness and desolation, suggesting a state of miserable unhappiness. A doleful expression or tone of voice might indicate deep suffering or a feeling of profound loss. In literature, the use of doleful can create a somber and melancholic atmosphere, evoking emotions of sympathy or empathy in readers. Overall, doleful carries a sense of gloom and despair that permeates whatever it is describing.